Grand Pan. We're going Jumbo. We're going Pulse. We're going Onyx. We're going Hobby. Oh, this is that badass break we had the other night. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Welcome to Lucky Breaks. What's it take? What's it take? We're doing it tonight. Tired as can be. Everyone's like exhausted. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. Indianapolis is where we're at. We got a nice one. We got a 2468 boxer, or we brought our old leaf metal. Got Hobby and Jumbo, 2 of each. Got the Onyx rips, and then we got the Pulse. So it should be another one hell of a break. We're going to start with the Onyx. We're going to go right at 11:30. Home of the full or not breaks. I'm sure you guys know about them by now. If you don't, where the hell have you been? You've been under a rock or something? I hope you're not sleeping underneath a rock. What up? What up? Lucky Breaks, what are we doing? Home of the full or not? No tomfoolery. We're going to do this one at 11:30. We are on East Coast time now still. Done with Chicago. Done with Illinois. Now we're in Indianapolis. Everything's good. Hopefully everything's good with you guys. Sent my final box of cards back home to get sorted for you guys today. And the guy, I gave him credit at the UPS. He hooked it up really nice. And I learned something how to ship boxes a little bit easier. I don't need the exact same right size box. I can cut it down now. Tommy Tom's breaking. Tommy Tom's breaking. I had to send Jim on his way back home to the shop. We're not going to get back home till the 11th. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. It's going to be a nice boxer. We got a 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, yeah, my voice is off because I was at the Cubs game yelling for just being a fan. So it got the best of me. So, yes, it's a little off. 58 autos. That's how many we have. 58 autos in total. Whew. 2 per person. The other day when I did it, they were all top prospects. Shoot, I think the other day we did. There wasn't anything past this drafted in the second round. See what this guy does. Watch the Little League World Series, 15-11. See what goes on here. One of my favorite times of the year. Watch this guy crack a homer. Woo! 2-0. Let's see what he's got here. 2-0. Bases loaded. Foul ball. I don't like how this is sitting. Let me move this up just a little bit. There we go. Ball 3. 3-1. Oh, it's 2-2. Let's see what he's got. Ball, full count. No. 3-2. Bases loaded. Top of the 5th. What's going to go on here? Down by 4. You can't make this up. He hits a grand salami to tie it up. Walked him. Three-run deficit. Uh-oh. Home run takes it. Okay, what do we got going on, guys? What do we got going on? I know there's some teams left. We'll worry about those. 21, actually. Angels, 42. Astros, 42. Blue Jays, 17. Braves, 35. Cards, 19. High school other, 95. Means we're going to be hitting those all night. Oh, man. 8 boxer. $20 left. What up? What up? Let's get rolling. 4 minutes till takeoff. Oh, shoot. Let's see this rip. Did he catch it? Holy cow, he sure in the hell did. That's a replayer. Whew. Oh, I don't know. Hit the ground. Hit the ground. But nice effort, dude. Trapped it. Yeah, hit the ground, but not bad. Not bad. You know. Okay. 2 minutes, we're going to get rolling, guys. Home of the full or not break. We got a nice one. 8-boxer break tonight. Jumbo, hobby, jumbo, 2 jumbos, 2 hobbies, 2 Onyx rips, and 2 pulls. Just loaded with prospect stuff going on here. Let me get a garbage. I don't see a garbage. There's got to be a garbage. I got the garbage. We're ready to go. One minute till takeoff, guys. 65-41 is the break. 6541 is the break. 19 teams left. Not enough to stop us from breaking, guys. Oh. Did we just hit a Bobby Witt on the first pack for the Royals? Who's taking the Royals? Is that the Bobby Witt right off the bat that we just hit on card auto? Yeah, that's the Bobby Witt we just hit. Say what? You just hit a Bobby Witt? What the hell? What the hell's going on here? I'm gonna get some thicker top loaders. Let me see if what we got. Bobby Witt right off the bat. Chris Warfield. Nice, Chris. Nice, Chris. Taking home the cheddar. It's not numbered, but it looks nice. Bobby Witt, number 1. He's on the Royals. I think that's the only team he's ever played on is the Royals. Bobby Witt for the Royals. Second pack, second auto. Owen Miller. And check the checklist if you guys want. Checklist is on the main post. For the Colorado Rockies. And Jay Allen. For the Cincinnati Reds. Third pack, third auto. Jay Allen on the auto. For the Cincinnati Reds. The Reds are still available for a low price of $44. Jay Allen for the Reds on the auto. And the Mate. On the auto, Griffin Tobias for the Milwaukee Brewers. Dude, I'm going to hit all the autos up at one time. And Chase Burn, baby. Burn, burn, burn. And Travis Bazzana for the Cleveland Guardians. Are you kidding me right now? The Travis on card auto. Bazzana going berserko. This is some crazy shit going on here. I'm hitting auto after auto after auto. Bobby Witt, Travis Bazzana in the same box. This shouldn't be legal. Charlie Condon. Uh-oh. Nick, when it hurts, it hurts for the A's. Are you kidding me right now? Nick, when it hurts, it hurts for the A's. Whew. Wow. Are we hitting an auto in every box? Xavier Myers. Prospect. Xavier Nevins. And Sasaki for the prospect. Oh, Rentaro Sasaki for the prospect on that one. Holy cow. Burn, baby. Burn, burn, burn. We must have hit a hot box. Every pack has an auto. Oh, jeepers. If you're going to get in a break, this is the break to get in. For the Reds, second. He's the top number 2 overall pick for the Cincinnati. He's number 1 overall. He's the number 2 overall prospect in baseball. Chase Burn, baby, burn. Number 2 overall prospect in baseball. Second Reds auto, and the Reds are still available. I don't know why. Holy cow. Franco Ailman for the Cleveland Guardians. More Chase, baby, burn, baby, burn. Wow. Griffin Tobias for the Milwaukee Brewers. Auto. Every single pack is at an auto. Matt Lugo. Eric Adler. And Paul Schemes and Things. White Sox. Travis Bazzana again. Are you kidding me? Whew. Bryce Eldridge. And another Travis Bazzana. Whoever got the Guardian smiling ear to ear. Wow. Riggenback. Arnold. And for the Colorado Rockies, Owen Miller time. All on Carters. Every single pack's been an auto. Are you kidding me? Another Nick Kurtz when it hurts. Man, is this even legal to have a box like this? This dude. Stupid. Are you sure? Or is it a different Onyx product? Matt Lugo. Franco Ailman. And obviously we'll hit another auto. Cam Smith. They got Cam Smith for the Astros. Dude, Astros are 32. This guy's in the top 5 for Rookie of the Year prospect running right now. Or he was last week. Still available. This is an on-card or Cam Smith. I don't know what you guys are thinking, guys. But somebody better get the Astros, because let's just go over that one box here, just out of curiosity, just to kind of see what's went on here. First box, okay? This is just a one box of this Onyx stuff that we just picked up. Lugo auto, Miller auto, Adler, they're all autos. Tobias, Cam Smith, Nick When It Hurts It Hurts, Travis Bazzana, Ailman, Burn Baby Burn, Myers, another Nick When It Hurts It Hurts, another Travis Bazzana, Tobias, Allen, Miller time, and Bobby Witt. Are you kidding me? I don't even know. Can't even make this stuff up. Better for you guys to sit on the bench. Astros are still there for 30. I have no idea why. I guess no one likes Rookie of the Year prospects. Maybe you guys don't know that. I don't know what the hell's going on. Okay, let's see if this one's like that one. Oh my gosh. Third Travis Bazzana auto. And the Mate. Number 3 on the Travis Bazzana auto. Who's ever in this break, guys. Whew. Danger. Some danger. Wow. Eric Adler. And Rentaro Sasaki. for the White Sox. White Sox are still there for 35. Owen Miller for the Colorado Rockies. Every pack's going to have an auto. Wow. How many packs does this stuff have, this Onyx? So we're like going berserko for the autos because every pack on this Onyx stuff has an auto. $14, 16 packs. So we're going to have 32 autos just on the Onyx. Because we've been hitting an auto in every box. He plays for the Cleveland Guardians. I think he's like the #1 overall pick this year, last year. We've already hit 3 of them. Xavier Neans for the prospect spot. Somebody better get that prospect spot too, because it's, I don't even get it. I don't even get it. Then they're on Whatnot selling it for double the price. Bobby Witt again. There's that Skeens. Where did I put that other Skeens? Oh, did I? Oh. Oh, here it is. Bobby Witt for the Kansas City Royals. Jeepers. 2 Bobby Witts, 3 Travis Bazanas. Made for the Brewers. Top prospect for the Brewers. Sam Knowlton for the Arizona D-backs. Pitcher. Lugo and Schollcraft. Okay, if it's going to do that jumpy shit, I'm going to restart my phone. Oh, now they're all like 2 packs. Condon and Sasaki. Willits and Nick when it hurts, it hurts. Lugo and Sasaki. Sasaki is the prospect. Lugo. Doing the Humpty dance. Mayans and Condon. Condon for the Colorado Rockies. Xavier Neans. Prospect spot. Kurtz and Condon. I'm shutting this off. I'll be right back. Think about this. 2 boxes in. We got Nick, when it hurts, it hurts, ×2. Bobby Witt, ×2. Travis Bazana, ×3. Cam Smith. Burn, baby, burn. And all the other autos. Stupid. 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 Let's continue on. Eli Willits and Made. Made for the Milwaukee Brewers and Eli Willits on the prospect spot. Jesus Made and Matt Lugo. Matt Lugo and Nians, prospect. For the Angels, Matt Lugo. Are the Angels still available? Angels are, and we got a couple Matt Lugos. I don't know why. Ooh, and I think there's an auto in here too. Charlie Condon for the Rockies. Oh, nice. Okay. So maybe, I think yours might be the short print there, brother. Man, I do see it. Man, this stuff's ridiculous. What a break. This break's going to be insane. It already is insane. I don't even know what to think about it. I know this can't hit this kind of break with the license stuff for sure. Trey Cinder. For the Metis, huh? We hit the Charlie Condon for the Rockies. I don't know if we had another Nick Hertz. No, we didn't. We had another, no. We hit the Lugo. For the Angels. And I think we have like 3 of those Lugos. Knowlton for the Arizona D-backs. Nians for the prospect spot. Miller, Owen Miller for the Colorado Rockies. And some base stuff. Charlie Condon, Lugo. Okay, we're box number 3. 12 teams left, guys. Giving the rest of the teams away. They're less than half off. You know what that means. That's less than cost by far. And Cinder for the New York Metis. Metis are there for 18 as our first auto. For the Metis. 20/49. Oh my goodness. This guy's the top prospect for the Minnesota Twinkies. Kalen Culpepper. Twins are there for $20. Wow. /65. How do you get the Kalen Culpepper on-card auto for $20? And you still got other stuff to get. I don't even know why the Twins are $20, but who the hell am I? Okay. Man, you guys are a tough crowd. You guys are a tough crowd. Is it still bouncing? Or is that old school? Kalen Culpepper for the Twinkies. Man, Samuel Basayo for the Orioles. How do you get the Orioles for $16? 5 of 5. Hopefully someone's picking them up as they hit. Because this is ridiculous. This is stupid. This is stupid. Wow. Samuel Basayo, Kalen Culpepper, top prospect after top prospect after top prospect. Can't even make this stuff up. Carter Matheson for the Philadelphia Phillies. Sheepers. Six autos in this stuff. Boston Bateman. 11 of 15 for the Slam Diego Padres. $11 to $15. And Matty Shaw for the Chicago Cubs. $7 of 7. And the Cubs are still available for $27. Unbelievable. Oh, the Cubs are there for $25. Oh my gosh. Man, you guys are a tough crowd. You guys are a tough crowd. One of the toughest crowds I've ever seen. Carter Holton for the Atlanta Braves. There's only 7 teams left, guys. 7 of 10, and we're giving them away. Cubs 58, now they're 25. You already got the Matt Shaw. You can get something else, too. Still going to have 30 autos, 35 more autos. What's wrong with you guys? Carter Holtman for the Atlanta Braves. Tell me the Twins are gone, hopefully. Because not, did you get one Kalen Culpepper? No, you got 2. $46 to $99. Trey Yesevich for the Toronto Blue Jays. Six left. D-backs, now they're 18. They were 49. Dodgers 32. They were 71. Oh my God, this one's gonna kill me. Can't afford you guys anymore, guys. Need to bring my talents to whatnot so I could charge you guys double. Just have a kid stay in here and go live all day and break at double the cost. Boston Bateman for the Slam Diego Padres. It's coming. At this rate, it has to come here faster than later, sooner than later. The demise of good deals. Coming down the piper. Boston Bateman for the Slam Diego Padres. Owen Cossey for the Chicago Cubbies. Oh, so you get a Matt Shaw and you got the Cossey and no one taking the Cubbies yet? 2 of 5. And for the Colorado Rockies, Chase Dolander. How do you hit prospect top? I'm not talking like... I just don't even get it. I don't even know how you hit this and stupid. This is the stuff I think you just don't open up. You keep it for like 2-3 years and then you open it up. Chase Dolander, at least a year until they start playing in the major leagues. Oh, we're just going to start with 1-to-1s. That's all we're going to start with. This is where you want that high school other spot, guys. You can get some crazy stuff in the leaf metal. Don't sleep on that spot. This is where you want it. Just an FYI. Trey Phillips. This is the 101 Scion printing plate. Oh, here it is, right here. Charlie Sheen. You might get a Charlie Sheen auto, and that'll be the other. 49. It's not going to go for the Indians. Go that other spot, right? I don't know. What's the checklist have him on there? Last spot is the Dodgers. Dodgers were 71. They're 24 now. Getting my ass handed to me. Will Gasparino next in line. 1 of 15. Wow. For the Rangers. Wellington Herrera. 1 of 7. This guy, Steve Monster Malam, I think he's on the other deal. He's the top international prospect, I think. How do you even get this guy? 18 to 25. Ryan Sloan. 2 of 6. And back on the Travis Bazzana. Are you kidding me? Ryan Sloan for the Mariners. Travis Bazzana. 12 to 25. Is that our 4th Travis Bazzana? Number 1 overall pick? Cheapers. Oh, Charlie Sheen's on the Guardians on the Travis Bazzana again, 5 of 5. Charlie Sheen's on the Guardians and Travis Bazzana. Tyson Lewis, 19 to 49. Ethan Petrie, next in line on the auto. Ethan Petrie. 10/49 for the Nationals. Trent Carraway, next in line. $12/49. Another top prospect. Dean Moss. Trent's that other. 27/49. Moss is on the race. Malcolm Moore for the Rangers, 11/25. And Roman Anthony, 4/8 for the Boston Red Sox, top prospect. When I say prospect, I mean Roman Anthony. I think he's the #1 prospect in the Red Sox organization. Guy's a stud. Go look him up if you don't get it. Franklin Arias, 1/1 encased. For the Red Sox. Xavier Neans. 2 of these for the Astros. Man, 2 slabs, 1/1s. I don't know. Grahavik /49. Gavin Turley /49. Omar Vizquel, old school /99. Vladdy Sr. /49. Jarangelo Sagente, first round gems. $29/49. Jarangelo Sagente, I think he's on the Mariners. Jared Thomas for the Rockies /25. Jacob Cozart, 1/1 for the Guardians. Gary Gilhill for the Rays, 9/10. Braylon No Pain No Gain for the Brewers. 23/35 for a little Braylon, no pain, no gain. Alejandro Brito for the Astros. So that's Juan Burrito's brother. 26/49. No, it's not. I'm just joking, guys. Alejandro Rosario for the Rangers. Well, Texas Rangers, 5/25. And we got a 3. We got Jace Laviolette, Brendan Summerhill, and Xavier Neans. 4/15. Jace Laviolette, Brendan Summerhill, and Xavier Neans. Neans is Astros. Summerhill's the Rays. And Made and Love Violet is the Guardians. So we'll have to random that one out. And we got the Made on the auto. 2/5 for the Milwaukee Brewers. I'm telling you, this stuff's just ridiculous. Ridiculous. Man, this break is ridiculous. This break should have filled like Snap filled. Whoever didn't get in this at the prices we had, I gotta laugh at it. I gotta laugh. That's all you gotta do. Chris Cortez. Slab at 101. For the Angels. Bo Jackson /99 for the Royals. Wyatt Sanford /99. Johnson, Randy Johnson /99. Jefferson Rojas /99. Noah Schultz /49. For the White Sox, top pick, Dave Justice. Wow. For the Braves, /15. Jalen Flores. For the Cardinals, /6. Caleb Lamavita for the Nationals. What a nice hit. Big time prospect, 1/1. That's a sick looking card for the Nats. First round gems, Cash Mayfield for the Padres. /49. Hagen Smith for the White Sox. First round pick. 10/10. Braden Montgomery. Are we going White Sox again? First round gems. 48/49 for the White Sox. Oh my goodness. This is badass. Juan Gonzo and Jose can strike out. Jose can strike out for the A's. Man, I don't know. Did Jose can strike out play for the Rangers? Well, we got Juan Gonzalez for the Rangers, right? So watch auto or random that one. And Diamonds, Ethan Conrad, 1/1 for the Cubbies. Wow, this was an insane break. I got to do a video on this. Braden Montgomery, Hagen Smith, Cash Mayfield for the Padres, Lama Vita, for the Nationals, Flores for the Cardinals, Dave Justice for the Braves, Made for the Brewers, Jacob Cozart, Jaron Jello for the Mariners, Roman Anthony for the Boston Red Sox, Caraway. Who's Caraway for?
You have to prove, to the state of Maine that it doesn't matter,
Petrie, Travis Bazzana, Malam, Gasparino, Charlie Condon, Nick Hurts when it hurts ×2, and 2 Bobby Witts. Whew. Travis Bazzana, Cam Smith, Chase Burn when it burns, baby when it burns. I'm doing a video on this. It's too nice, too crazy. Guys, have a great night. We will see you tomorrow again, full or not. How do you even miss up on this stuff? How do you even miss it? What are you guys doing? Well, congrats to the people that got in on the last 10 teams. You guys killed it. Even if you didn't hit anything, you couldn't even get a better deal on that. No shit. You guys killed it. Guys, have a great night. We will see you tomorrow. I gotta go cry myself to sleep. Peace.